All right, part two of our cold startup for a 1966 Ford Thunderbird. So far, so good. Hasn't quit on me yet, so that's good news. See good oil pressure, some fuel tanks registering something, and we are charging. So we got a little movement there, and we got a vicious belt squeak. So there's that. Let's go out and have a listen. This does need new mufflers. As you can hear, it sounds like a boat. Let's see here. Get this. This thing open. 428 cubic inch motor, never been rebuilt to my knowledge. So there you go, cold start, 1966 Ford Thunderbird.